Welcome to a video that shows an introduction to Scratch, the very basics. In this video we're going to look at the interface that you use to program. On the left here is called the stage. This is where the actions will be shown. Below it here is a list of sprites. This is a sprite that comes as a default. In the middle we have our block palette, and our block palette allows us to control the motion, control the looks, to make sounds, to actually draw with the pen tool, to create data variables that we can create lists as well. And then it has events, and these events are what trigger our sprite. We have the ability to control our programming with loops, and we have the ability to turn around and use sensors on it and do operators to include logic operations in it, and then we can save into more blocks. So let's try to do a program. First we want to click on our events to trigger what happens. Here we'll use the green flag, but you could also use a button to trigger the events. We'll choose a motion. We're going to move the sprite, and let's change this to 30 steps forward. And we'll click on the green flag here, or we could even use the green flag up here. Notice how the sprite moved. So let's say we want to make it move backwards. So we can take one and just slide it in, and it'll insert itself above. And we're going to change this to -35. And then let's see how this reacts. If you notice, nothing seems to be happening, and that's because it happens so quickly. So we're going to put a wait in here from our control panel. And let's change this to 3 seconds, and then try it again. So now you see the motion, wait 3 seconds, and then go back. So let's add another control, and let's say repeat, and we can just wrap this around the programming blocks that are already there, and hit the green flag. And we have this movement, but the movement's too fast. So let's actually add another control block which says wait 3 seconds again. And when we click our flag, we end up seeing that it moves back and forth, pausing 3 seconds in between. This is the start of programming. Good luck on your project.